I welcome all of you once again to my class. My name is Jewel and I am going to take the third chapter of Standard 3. This is of ICSE syllabus, Cordova Publications. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel and please send your comments after the class. If you like to hear my further classes from this textbook. Let's go to the poem, The Trains. Trains are a very important means of land transport all over the world. Read and enjoy a beautiful train journey. In this poem, you are going to study about a beautiful train journey. Trains. Over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here come the trains. So the trains comes over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers. Here comes the trains, carrying passengers, carrying mails, bringing their precious loads in without fail. So trains carry passengers. What are passengers? People. People on a train or a bus are called passengers. Carrying mail. Mail means letters. Train also carries letters. Bringing their precious loads. Precious loads means valuable or heavy things are called precious loads. In without fail. Without fail means always. So train always carries passengers. That carries mails. Mails means letters. Bringing their precious loads. Precious means valuable heavy loads. In without fail. Without fail means always. Thousands of freight cars. Freight cars means railway trucks for carrying goods are called freight cars, all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn. So thousands of freight cars, all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk. What is dusk? Dusk means the time of the day when it starts becoming dark. Dawn means early morning when the sun rises. So thousands of freight cars all rushing on through day and darkness, through dusk and dawn, over the mountains, over the plains, over the rivers, here comes the trains. The poem was written by James S. Tippett. So I will say once more, trains are the important means of transport. It is one of the fastest means of transportation, moving over the mountains, hills, plains and rivers. Trains carry passengers, mails and goods from one place to another without any fixed timing. The trains rush from morning till night at any point of time for the convenience of the people. Now let's go to the exercise part of this poem. Where do trains run? Trains run over the mountains, plains and rivers. Number 2. What do trains carry? Trains carry passengers and mails. What does precious loads mean? Precious loads mean the valuable and important things that train carry and transport from one place to another. Now, write the rhyming words with the following words. So you have to write the words which are rhyming with the following words. A. Dawn. On. B. Plains. Trains. C. Mail. Fail. In the poem, trains do not go to dash. A. Mountains. B. Deserts. C. Rivers. It is A. No, B. Deserts. In the poem, trains do not go to the deserts. In the poem, trains do not go to the deserts. B. Deserts. 6th. When do trains run? A. Through dusk to dawn. Through day and darkness. C. Both A and B. It is both A and B. 7th one. Which group of words tells about the speed of the train? A. Rushing on. Here comes the train or carrying mail. It is rushing on. Hope you all understood the poem. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and please send your comments. Okay children, we'll meet in the next class. Bye.